Good morning. It's another beautiful day, guys. And right now, it's very early in the morning. Yeah, everyone is busy doing something, as you can see down there. I don't know if you guys can see those guys I think they are building on something. I don't know, man. Yeah, but you can see men at you can see right here. They are working, man. Yeah, this is the view. Check this view out. Check this out, man. So if you are new here, welcome back to another video. My name is Viber Boy and I'm based in Kenya, Africa. And right now, guys, I wanna take shower and travel. Yeah, it's about that time, it's about that time of the day. Things happen, and we humans, we are not meant to be stagnant. So it's about time I take a quick shower and travel, guys. Yeah, that's fine. Actually, before I do that, before I take shower, let me have some fruit. Eish, that's bad. Fruits, they are so sweet, man. Everything about Africa is very sweet. The people are very welcoming. The fruits are very sweet. The food, when it comes to the food is very sweet. And Africa ladies, they are the most beautiful ladies in the whole world. Now I'm in Nairobi and I want to travel to Meru County and go see how everything is going. There were protests in Nairobi yesterday, so I don't know how today is like, but I read somewhere that today everything is so cool, man. Everything is very amazing. I need to check out by 10 a.m. so that we don't collide with the owners. And actually, guys, renting this place, it goes for 5,000 Kenyan shillings for a night. So if you guys wanna come visit Africa, you can check this Airbnb out. It's very cheap, actually. And if you're staying for quite a long time, like the whole month, you can get a better deal than that. Check this out. I think I should go with the cold one. Water is live. It's time to leave. We are supposed to check out at exactly 10, and right now it's 9:24. I don't know if you guys can see, it's 9:24.